Good morning, guys. This is Gloria. So I am back to pull the winners for my um, June 2018 Alina Crafts AliExpress haul with samples. So this is the video that you're watching right now. And on this video, um, Alina was so gracious to send me some freebies, as well as I had two winners that didn't come forward last time. So I need to pick a total of four winners this time around. So the first two winners will receive the die sets as well as the stamp set, and then the third and the fourth winner will receive the stamp set. And so you guys would have to contact me actually before July 9th if you're going to try to contact me through private messaging. And the reason for that is because on July 9th, um, YouTube is doing away with private messaging, so you won't be able to message me here on YouTube. But because in the rules of the giveaway, I did say contact me by July 9th, then if you don't message me by July 9th, you'll have to leave your email on this video letting me know that you're my winner, and that I can contact you by email so that I can go ahead and get your mailing address so that I can send out your goodies. So without further ado, I'm going to use YouTube Random Comment Picker, which is right here. And I'm just going to Control V, and that is my URL for my YouTube video. Just going to click Load Comments. And good luck to everybody. The question was, what is your favorite die? And you guys had a bunch of great dies that you told me about, some of which I have never even heard of some of these companies, which was really cool. So I was able to go and look up some of the companies and see which dies you're talking about. A lot of the dies I knew about because they're the ones that we normally use, which is the Sizzix dies, My Favorite Time, stuff like that. But some of the die companies I have never heard of, and they have some beautiful dies. So thank you so much for that. So right now I'm going to pick winner number one, and I'm just going to say randomly pick winner. And Crafty Caboose says, as usual, I love your projects. My fave die at the moment is the Spellbinders Bag and Tag It die. I love making cute little grocery bags to put little gifts in. It's adorable. So Crafty Caboose, you are winner number one. Thank you so much for playing and participating. So I'm just going to try to click randomly pick winner again. And that's me. So I can't win. Let me randomly pick winner again. Cheryl, yay! This is my girlfriend. Hi, Gloria. Another great Alina haul. I actually placed an order over the weekend for the first time at AliExpress, and I am just waiting for them to arrive. Thanks to all your beautiful samples, I totally and finally gave in. Anyway, my most favorite and most used die is the Wonky Stitch Rectangle die set from Gina Marie Designs. I love Gina Marie Designs as well. Aside from the fact that her prices are awesome, it's so versatile and can be used on many of my projects because mainly I am a card maker. I love it so much. Thanks for sharing, girlie. Yes, she is definitely a great card maker, guys. If you guys don't know who Cheryl is, I will definitely link her information down below. You can go head over to her channel. She does beautiful work, and her hand lettering is absolutely gorgeous, guys. So that is winner number two. I'm going to click randomly pick winner. My third winner is Liz Martinez. Awesome haul. Thank you for sharing and doing projects. Well, Liz can't win because part of the giveaway rules was to tell me what is your favorite die. So unfortunately, Liz is not my third winner. I'm going to click randomly pick winner again. Yay, Hands of a Miracle. This is my girlfriend as well. Great haul. My favorite dies to work with are the Stitch Tag dies bow dies and purses. My new fave purse is Timeless Tote, Alina Craft tag die, and Brenda Walton bow die. So Hands of a Miracle, yay, you guys. Um, I love her. She's so super duper sweet. And I will link her information down below. I'll link all the winners' information down below so that you can go over and check out their channels and go ahead and subscribe to them. But Hands of a Miracle, you are my third winner. So now I'm going to just click randomly pick winner one more time. And Terry F, yay! My favorite die right now is the Recollections Unicorn Head die that goes with the matching stamp set. Thanks, Terry. So, Terry F, you are my fourth and final winner. Thank you guys so much for playing along, and thank you for always being there, being great subbies. I love you guys. Don't worry, there'll always be more giveaways because I love doing giveaways. Stay tuned because next Saturday, we're going to be doing Saturday morning crafts, and you guys know we always have some awesome projects to share with you guys, and I hope this Saturday is no different from any second Saturday that you guys have seen. So that's about it. If my four winners will just go ahead and get in contact with me prior to July 9th, you can private message me. If you're going to do it on July 9th, you may have to just leave your email information down below so that I can go ahead and email you so that I can get your address. Hands of a Miracle, I may have your address. Cheryl, I believe I still have your address, but I need to double check. But in any event, still contact me, letting me know that you've seen this video. All right, guys, so that is about it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And as always, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. And a huge thank you to Alina Crafts for sponsoring this giveaway.